Hey there, everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of technology, specifically discussing how computers work. Let's start with the computer itself. When you turn on your computer, it's like flipping a light switch on in your house. The power comes in through the plug, travels through wires, and then reaches the power supply. The power supply converts the AC power to DC power, which is what all our electronic devices require. The motherboard is like a control center for your computer. It manages all the various components and sends commands to them when needed. Now let's talk about memory. When you turn on your computer, it loads all its programs into memory in advance so they can be accessed faster when you need them. The CPU is like the brain of the computer, processing information extremely quickly, up to 1 billion calculations per second. It controls everything within your computer and communicates with other components via buses. The heart of a computer is its fan, which keeps it cool and running smoothly by expelling all that extra heat we create while using it. And that's how computers work. I hope you found this little lesson informative and enjoyable. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tech insights and fun facts. Until next time.